Explaining monthly payments can get tricky, especially when your customer is new to financing. The last thing you want is to overwhelm them with financial jargon. That's where AI can help you simplify things. Start a new chat and try this prompt. Explain how monthly car payments work in a way that's simple for someone new to financing. In seconds, AI will break it down using everyday language, helping you talk through terms like interest, loan length, and down payments in a way that actually makes sense. If the response is still too complex, just say, "Make it even simpler, like I'm explaining it to a first-time buyer." This tool gives you clear, friendly ways to explain financing, so you can build trust, not confusion. Get started and simplify your day. Use AI to generate your own simple explanation of monthly payments.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.